Here we have one of the new Thunder models kits. It's a German transport vehicle. Comes with a really nice color paint sheet. Nice and thick, it's glossy, it's really nice. It'd be worth keeping around. And we have the assembly book. Kit looks like it comes with individual tread links and an engine. So it looks like it has an interior. There's your drivetrain and gearbox. Appears to be a very nice kit. Not overly complicated, but nice and detailed. Should be really fun to paint. Okay, here we go with our Thunder models, German Katzchen, Recon, and APC. And we have the first of our sprues here. Looks like it has a couple of tracks on it and some pieces of the hull. So far, very nice detail. Some of the pieces do look a little thin, but that's probably to keep it to scale. That's kind of good to see. Again, this seems like a really nicely detailed kit. Not overly complicated, but very nice. There we have some of the longer sections of track. That will be nice. Here we have, looks like, some of the road wheels, most of the pieces of the track. It is kind of nice to see some of the longer pieces of track. That way everything's not an individual piece. That's nice. Keep it detailed, but still keep it a lot of fun. Don't get overly discouraged with too many pieces of track. Some people were turned off by that. I honestly don't mind, especially on this one. By the looks of it, it should be pretty cool. The rest of the track, some of the drivetrain, again, and some of the wheels. It is a duplicate of that sprue. And here we have the rest of the road wheels. Looks like some of the exhaust. Drive shaft. Back to this one. Just a lot of pretty neat little pieces on this, including the radio. Actually, that's the gauges for the vehicle. Looks like they did a very nice job with the photo etched. Some nice pieces of that in there. And we have our decals. Tiny, small little decal sheet. A lot of these armor kits don't have a whole lot of decals. The gauges and the markings, and this is more than likely for the tow cable. Nice threaded piece of thread. That'll look really nice once it's painted. Has enough detail on there that you can dry brush it and make it look pretty good. And that is our new Thunder models kit. These Thunder model kits are kind of new to me. Looks like I'm going to enjoy building them. Watch for the build later on. We may do it as a kit. We may add it into some type of diorama somewhere along the line. Thanks for watching. You're welcome.